What's up, everybody? How you all doing today? It's Alan Evans here, Old School Hip Hop, where we check out the channel where we check out everything old school hip hop. Well, I'm checking out a recommendation that was given a few days ago. It's just nice to check out a group called Naughty by Nature, and the video I'm checking out from Naughty by Nature is called Yoke the Joker. It's a lyric video. I haven't heard this. I've heard of it. I've heard the title, but I've never listened to the song. So it's my very first time hearing it. So yeah, it is a reaction. So yeah. So let's not waste time. Let's just crack it and let's see what it's talking about. Let's go.
I want all that black market shit, everything. I want all the t-shirts, all the cassettes.
Okay.
Who is it? Where the shit? Everybody you down. Don't nobody look at me. Where the shit? Joke the Joker.
What else going on? I'm scared already. What is going on? Oh my god. There's probably people firing shots already. It's only the intro and I'm scared already. Oh my god. Do I dare listen to this?
I can snap, rap, pack, click, clack, patter, pack, pack. Take that ass to the point you have to ask for your ass back. A fucking joker smoker, taunted by no one. If I was born in Chungley's temple, I would have turned out a shotgun. Smack it.
What? Oh, I love that. Oh, let's just take that back. What? Oh, I can click, clack, patter. Oh, how did he say it? Oh. I can snap, rap, pack, click. I can snap, rap, pack, click, clack, patter, pat.
Clack, patter, pack, pack. Take that ass to the point you have to ask for your ass back. A fucking joker smoker, taunted by no one. If I was born in Chungley's temple, I would have turned out a shotgun. Smack.
Oh, just those rhyme. Oh man. Oh. Just already, this is only just the beginning. It's like, man.
I can snap, rap, pack, click, clack, patter, pack, pack. Take that ass to the point you have to ask for your ass back. A fucking joker smoker, taunted by no one. If I was born in Chungley's temple, I would have turned out a shotgun. Smack the Indian or talk joke, cause I can't hawk. And all that shit I hear about me losing is small talk. I ain't a punk or slouch, and furthermore, I don't scare chief. The reason I called you pussy, cause you're all what you eat. Pick into little.
Whoa, let's bring it back. I ain't a punk, I'll slot ya. Furthermore, I don't scare chief. The reason I called you pussy, cause you are what you eat. Oh, that's a bars right there, that's bars. Shogun.
Smack the Indian or talk joke, cause I can't hawk. And all that shit I hear about me losing is small talk. I ain't a punk or slouch, and furthermore, I don't scare chief. The reason I called you pussy, cause you're all what you eat. Pick it a little closer to the center of a blow pop. Don't speak when I am talking, this is my fucking show. How dare you even try me, don't you know you be fucking wild? You smiling backstage, doing your mother dogging style. I'm wild, raw, whore, still suave. Check out the style that soul simulated sounds from a stocky, semi-social. Never seen sloppy, see silly slapping suckers. Sorry, saps and slouches. Strap slamming style, smacking and smashing savage. These see so songs and some shots so snap 7.
God, bloody hell, look how many. Look how, like, there's so many words there that begins with S. We see so songs and some shots, so snaps, stepping, separate, start slowly and goes solo. What? That is so many S's. Like, oh man, I couldn't. How do you even say that? Like in. We see so songs and so shots, so snaps, stepping separate, start slowly, go solo. God, that's a lot of S's. Oh man. Oh, that's,
Your mother doggy style. I'm wild, raw, whore, still suave. Check out the style that I soul simulated sounds from a stocky. Semi-social, never say sloppy. See silly slapping suckers. Sorry, saps and slouches. Strap slamming style, smacking and smashing savage. BC so songs, this was shot so. Snap 7 samples, start slowly go so low. Set the cassette, stereo sound stiff in. Strip the sanitarian, Samaritans and system. Smoke the joker 3 times over. And over, go with the flow. I'm about the yoga joke.
no, I'm just curious to know what is meant by Yoke the Joker. Well, I'm not familiar with what that actually means. I'm sure it means something of, but I'm just not. If you know, let me know in the comments down below, because I really ain't sure. Because I really do not know.
All that straight face shit like your heart has been through. Smile and give your face something to fuck to do. Your ugly, smugly, squilly, dilly, wrinkle face bastard. Someone needs to hit and run it and run your ass over backwards. Let's giddy up, yep, another fuck up. Grab your microphone, battle time showing up. Any freestyle I see while I prowl, I dial a new style. Tell me about ooh child. Another victory is mystery. I smoke your skull, your brain, and come blistery. All fuzzy, dirty, dizzy, does he get the fix he needs?
Oh, all fuzzy, dirty, dizzy, does he? Oh, so I love all these like internal rhymes. They're just fucking brilliant. All fuzzy, dirty, dizzy, does he get the things he needs? Remember how blistery? No, does he blister? Yeah. Oh no, I like. But it's all, you know, it all makes sense. Oh man, I like the just, you know, just packed all these just words together. You know, and just these internal rhymes. They're just fucking brilliant.
Tell me about ooh child. Another victory is mystery. I smoke your skull, your brain, and come blistery. All fuzzy, dirty, dizzy, does he get the fix he needs? Remember how blistery? You ain't ready for the Freddy of rap. You can't kill me. I step into your dreams, you feel me. Slicing your life away, just like my mic today. I eat you the psycho way. I'm ripping shit right away. I treat you like a bitch in a ditch, off an angel does. Take you to a roof, sure you can fly. Just jump slut. You think you might say a rhyme that someone might order like. You couldn't wash it up in a motherfucking water fight. All lockjaw, look at the brochure. So proud of sure. Suck my encore. Swinging the bolo. The flow goes solo. I'ma smoke ya. It's time to yoke the joker. The only way you wouldn't be getting dished jump like a girl is if your father would have bothered to pull it out early. You ain't got a single drip drop. You're stripped of hip hop. If I see you disagree, you'll be getting your shit dropped. It's the extended version. Inside you can't fuck with. You get the Jimmy MC, you swift to kick the bucket. I'm tired of Mr. Nice Guy. Place your price high. Bet on a battle rhyme and tell my chances are sky high. Never would you ever get the thriller, say yo sweat. You know that kid Trent, I took him out, he was no threat. Because you know I'm better than that on my worst day. Thinking competition's what I do in the worst way. Quick to do a hit for you, most likely I spoiled ya. Abroad you, ignored ya, then broadly floored ya. The proof is in the pudding, my collar ain't wooden. It takes more than an axe to tax, bless the children. Physically, facially, racially made to be. Crazily paid a G, what a fucking way to be. Hot damn, I'm a man with a hand plan. Pimp smack that, then attract the new game plan. Eat your big beat, digest the rest. Just shit out what's left yet, then go to the next step. That's what I do, that's what I say, that's what I live. That's what I prove, that's what I move, that's what I give. Making other brothers wanna go home and write shit. Bite what I might get, then up and say I quit. Me getting got, oh what a beautiful thought from you. Ain't it amazing what some paper plus a pen and tongue can do? Yo, the Joker.
Okay. Okay, so that was Yoke the Joker by Naughty by Nature. Wow, that's actually, that was the very first time I've ever heard that song. I've heard of Naughty by Nature before. I've heard of Tratch from One Naughty by Nature. I've heard of him before, but I've never heard the song though. Yoke the Joker. I thought that was really good. I thought that was just one of my favourite lines. It's right at the beginning. Where it begins the verse. Where is it? I've gone a bit too far. Yeah, I can snap, rap, pack, click, clack, patter, pat, pat. That's not. Oh, do you know what I mean? Just like this is back in the early days. And I'm not sure what year it was when this came out. I've absolutely no idea. But I just love the lyricism on this and the with the Tretch is it's really it's really difficult to fucking to rap like to even to impersonate his fucking rap his style and everything. It's just it's so his rhymes are so condensed fucking rhyme schemes right there, and it's just fucking brilliant. I fucking love that. It's I can snap rap, patter. I can snap, rap, pack, click, clack, patter, pat. Oh, you know what I mean? It's just, it's just quality. I really enjoyed it. Anyway, I really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this reaction, then do feel free to smash the thumbs up. I do generally appreciate that. But just about the channel. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then do consider smashing that subscribe button. Hit the bell to get notified when I upload more videos. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Anything else you'd like to see me check out, drop them in the comments down below. Because I always look forward to checking them out. So to the next one, guys, be safe, and I'll see you again very soon. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Cheers. Peace. I'm out.